Hello everybody, today is a very important day for all Pakistanis. It's Independence Day. First of all, Happy Independence Day from me. Today we're gonna also learn the vocabulary from our topic as well as listening practice. So let's get started. The question is, what actually happened on 14 August 1947? On 14 August 1947, Pakistan achieved independence, one day prior to Indian independence. India was partitioned and East and West Pakistan was created from Muslim majority areas, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah was sworn in as the first Governor-General of Pakistan. Independence Day is observed annually on 14 August as a national holiday in Pakistan, commemorating a day when Pakistan achieved independence and was declared a sovereign nation following the end of the British Raj in 1947. Pakistan came into existence as a result of Pakistan movement. The Pakistan movement aimed for creation of independent explosive state by the terrain of northwest region of South Asia and was led by the All Indian Muslim League under the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The event was brought forward by the Indian Independence Act 1947, in which the British Indian Empire gave the independence to the Dominion of Pakistan, later called the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which included the West Pakistan, present Pakistan, and the East Pakistan, now called the Bangladesh. Let's talk about some celebrations, how we celebrate 14 August. Citizens of Pakistan celebrate Independence Day zealously. The colors for the day are green and white of Pakistan's flag. The country's flag are seen everywhere and fireworks displays are enjoyed. Flag hoisting ceremonies are held publicly in the private institutions across the country. Schools and universities arrange declamation contests or exhibitions of national song and sport marathons to celebrate. Special programs are also scheduled for the observance of this day. The district and local authorities actively plan and execute events to express patriotism and add colors to the day. Citizens participate in the face painting, donate the country's color, dressing up elaborately, lighting fires, and celebrating all things Pakistan. So at the end, what are responsibilities of a good citizen? What are your responsibilities? A good citizen must live in peace and harmony with his neighbors and fellow citizens. He must respect the institution of the country. A good citizen must have always respect the laws of the state and should have no patience with criminals and anti-social elements. He must be vigilant against the enemies of the country. So we have to obey our responsibilities as a good citizen. Pakistan Zindabad.